Good afternoon. Today is Friday, May 4th, 2018. My name is Tom Kalinowski. I'm the Director of Technology and Operations at Colonial Intermediate Unit 20. This is Tech Tips episode number 49. In today's episode, we're going to go over Gmail. Now, I know you might be thinking, Gmail, that's pretty basic, but in the next upcoming weeks, Gmail is going to be releasing a new interface, and I want to show you how you could get a sneak peek at it. When you're in your Gmail, if you could click on the gear, the settings icon, you'll see something new. In our particular domain, it says try the new Colonial Intermediate Unit 20 mail. If you go ahead and click on that, it'll show you the what the brand new interface looks like. It'll walk you through a tutorial about how everything looks. You can adjust a couple of your settings. What I want to concentrate on, though, is one new feature that I think you're going to find invaluable. If we hover over any of the messages, let's say this was a particular message that I was going back and forth on and I was waiting for some more information back, but I wanted to make sure that I didn't forget about it. If you hover over it, you'll see the clock icon. If you go ahead and click on that, you can see it says snooze until later today, tomorrow, next week, someday. So let's see, we were going back and forth and I was awaiting a response, and if I didn't get anything by Tuesday, say I wanted to follow up. Let's click on pick a date and time. Let's pick on Tuesday, and 8 o'clock is fine. Click on save. That's it. So now our inbox is empty. You'll see that the message is gone. However, on Tuesday at 8 o'clock, that message will automatically come back. I know this is a feature that I know I'm going to use to better keep track of my email and not let things slip through the cracks. I hope you found this tip valuable. If you have any suggestions for future tips, please put them in the comments below. Otherwise, have a great weekend. Bye. I almost forgot. I should probably show you how to go back to the old interface if you want to for the time being. To do that, you can click on the gear icon and you could say go back to classic interface. Okay, and that'll take you back to your email as you knew it. All right, now that we got that out of the way, have a good weekend. Bye.